Hi, my people. I am back. The queen is back. I don't like too much light. Maybe this one is okay, or this one. Yeah, use this. I don't like too much light on my face. Good morning, my people. First of all, let me put my number here. In case you want to call me, let me put my number here. Don't call me on WhatsApp, please. If you call me on WhatsApp, I may not pick it because I'm using the same phone. Okay, guys? So when you want to call me normal, please. Just for some now, for the moment, I will try to transfer this thing to another this thing. So what is our topic today? Before I start, I need to pin my number here first, so that if you want to call, if you want to make any contribution, you make your contribution. Okay, guys, let me put my number first so that it will be very easy for us. Those who wants to call on WhatsApp, please, no verse. I'm going to be changing this my WhatsApp number to another phone because this one, I don't think it's gonna work that way. So this is my number in case if you want to call me. Let me pin it here. I have to pin the number. So what is, you will see what I write on top of this video. I don't even know how I will do this now. You see me? Okay. Yeah, I got it. So good morning, guys. Good morning, my people. Good morning, lovers of Crown Queen TV talk show. Good morning, anywhere you are watching me from. Everything is good. Either it's evening, it's morning, it's night, it's afternoon. You must put good inside. Okay, guys, you will see a topic I put on this screen. So yesterday night, you know when I do my live video, when I talk, say we go buy pizza with my husband. So after we buy the pizza finish, come back, a call come throughout yesterday. Now so my husband with this man, they fight for phone. I laughed tired yesterday. I won't faint. I just they laugh, two of them. Somebody called me a man. He said that a wife I don't know how to play this recording. I don't know, but the thing tire me. He said a wife, I beg, as we dey do social media like this, make we feel they talk to our fellow women. Say you know they feel they talk to your wife. Anytime where you want talk to your wife they feel angry. Your wife know they happy. Please, as you are coming in, give me some love and like if you really love the queen, okay? From your heart. Okay, not be hide and watch. Just show me some love and like. I can see, as I'm seeing some love and like, my body they ginger me. You understand? So mostly this thing is for women and men. You understand? This man called yesterday. Good morning, my dear. You are welcome. My personal. You understand? So this man, he called yesterday. He was complaining to me, and say my husband won't sleep because they wake up around 4 o'clock every time, can't go work. So now the man don't talk. Now my husband collect phone, begin the answer him. You understand? So my sisters and brother, what is the problem of this relationship? What is bringing problem? You see, sometimes in marriage, something that you think is not anything may bring problem for you. So everybody is learning. We are all learning. Okay, so nobody will say that he's perfect. Let me lower this my YouTube, this thing where they play. Please, if share this video, maybe it may help someone. Okay, say so we women, we know they like to learn where we supposed to learn. We always to learn from the wrong side. We always like to learn where it happen. But this person now, the husband reported this case. Now maybe she don't know that this thing is paining her husband, and the husband has been during it since. You understand? So that is just it. Okay, so what is the really problem? I will be saying it when I see that we are many. We are not many now. I need to share this video so that it will reach everybody. share to your platform, okay? This is a very, very educative message that every woman, every man need to learn. You understand? So if we don't learn, we can't know what is up. This man complained to me that the wife, the back of ear normally smell anytime they want to have themselves. I cannot talk it go deeper. He said anytime he want to touch him wife, but if he tell him wife some things, say him wife go the verse. So the thing don't make her say he know they tell him wife anything again. He just the bear am. Say he don't still tell another social media people, bloggers, to put this matter on board. If she go fit watch, sometimes she they watch me, sometimes she they watch others. Saying I ask, I say how many people where you don't tell about this matter. He said don't tell him about 3 or 4 bloggers. May they help him arrange this kind issue. You understand? So that a wife go fit watch him. He say every time he want, like, don't say sometimes man, if they want to, if you kiss you go do, say in back of the ear of your wife they smell too much. So say the thing they pain him, and a wife no be person will be say in go fit advice. Anytime you want to advise a wife, the wife they vex. So now I tell her say, have you explained to this thing, this particular one, to your wife? The man say no, say never explain it to his wife. I say okay, no problem. So ladies, I want to tell you, say anytime you want to kiss the wife, this back of here, you normally smell too much. The thing no dey fit, they get and get aroma to stay with in woman. Say the thing, the odor they too much for him body. You understand? The odor they cause kasala for him body, but him just the manager like that, because a wife now somebody will be say he no fit advise him. If he advise and say she dey vex. You understand? So this man come here yesterday, we talk a lot. So tell my husband vex off the phone, tell her make he go sleep. You understand? So I will be talking basically on women. You understand? You see this back of ear here. If you like, you say you used to bath every time. When you bath finish, you will clean your ear, clean here. It will be smelling. You understand? Mostly those of us who normally fix direct head. You understand? Sometimes, not everybody. You understand? Sometimes back of ear here. If you put your hand, even though you bath nana, before even you put your hand, you put it on your nose, you will hear that it is smelly. That is what this lady husband is complaining about. You understand? So, and I advise him, good morning, my blood. Good morning. So, and I advise him to don't worry. He said that he have told 3 bloggers about this issue. Please, if you are a blogger here watching me, okay, thank you very much. If you are a blogger here watching me, please try to put this topic on your platform already. The man already have said it, that you have told 1 or 2 bloggers. My sister, see, let me tell you something. Neatness, not only when you take your bath. No. There is a kind of particular places where you need to take care of yourself as a woman. You know, say men get how they behave. Not be all men, no. Some men they like that, they feel like that, they go trollette them. Some men they know they like her. Since your husband now don't carry your matter across social media, because he no go fit talk to you for inside house again. You understand? So the thing don't they pain him, and he believe say from social media he go feel like, you know, say some women they know they learn waiting their husband teach them, unless they go meet themselves for outside, they go feel learn them. You understand? So no let person insult you outside. Like man, women, when your wife tell you say this thing, do it like this, do it. So what is the end of the discussion yesterday? My husband now pick call and call the man, say the things that your wife cannot do it for her. You understand? Like me now, many things I don't know. I normally say it. I just meet my husband, be like, Nana, I start life, but I've been living life before. Okay, so he teach me many things I don't know. Sometimes he will be teaching me. Sometimes I will get angry. Sometimes when he left, I will be laughing. You see, the way I related to you is not the way you are going to relate to me. Okay, please share this video if you are here. You will educate 1 or 2 people, mostly our women. You understand? So what am I going to tell you now? If you go to supermarkets, there is some kind of water they used to sell for cleaning face, for cleaning everywhere. Buy the one that have everything inside. You understand? When you take your bath finish, you want to go to bed. You know, say not every time where husband and wife they do gidiga for top of bed. No, sometimes like that. If you know that today you might get Liverpool and Liverpool won't play match. My sister beg, you know, say try your best. No can say you too fat or you too short or you too long. Say your husband the manager like that. Your husband love you. You know they love you. before this man carry this matter come to social media, the thing don dey disturb the man for long for, but how imagine, and maybe no go fit tell you because of the kind of woman you are. If you are here, share this video. If you are not a enemy of progress, share this video for your platform for now. Maybe later if you go delete it, no problem, but share it so that our women can learn from this thing. You understand? Before they say men no good, men they do us like some men, they no go tell you because of your character, they go take wickedness and everything, they follow you for house, and you go dey imagine say this man, why they do me like this? You get wetin that man see in you before he marry you, and he come marry you finish, you feel less concerned because of say it's your own, and you begin to live another life where you know they expect. You no go good now. No be people they pay 500,000, they go find chain where they go chain for where stay collect on a husband. You understand? So neatness matters. Look good for yourself, even though not for your husband. Look good for yourself. You understand? Go to supermarket. Here things are not cost much like that. You will see 5 euro, 3 euro. Buy it anytime you take your bath finish in the night when you want to sleep. Use cotton bud and put it and clean the back of your ear. Yeah, if you like, you use soap wash your hair. While they wash my ear every day while they bath. Now lie, you must smell. But there is some kind of chemical you will use to treat your back of ear. It will look good. You understand? You can never hear it will kill that odor, because now all those cream where they pack, they put for head, where you know the my father say why women know they get sex, because from year to year they know they wash, they know they put water for head. How they want they take reason where when they put that cream on top of your head, if they go inside your skull, they relax. At a minute, you go to drop for your back of ear. If you like, bath na. Before you go far place, come back. You go see say your back of ear they smell. When a husband don't carry a wife on social media, they discuss this matter. The man first do voice message give me. I no mind am. Before we go waka reach house, now the man come they tell me all those things. The thing pay me as a woman for night. You understand? Sometimes when man they tell you something, listen. Now that one where you need. If man tell you say for night I want you make you naked. Now that if you know the naked, he don't go kill you, he not go do you anything, he go still show you love, but he get waiting bear in mind the day. I don't see many men self they live with their wife for house, but another person will be celebrity. Now if I don't hear many things where I know they feel they carry the come here because of the kind of my personality, but at least I don't beg hobby for 1 or 2 things. Make it leave me, make I still put this matter on air. You understand? Somebody don't come me say, they feel happy when they stay with him husband. So go they put in mind for another celebrity person outside, because they enjoy the man. This social media, where would they do? Would they hear many things? Sometimes if you go hear your ear go they prepare, everything what would they hear. Some things will go settle on for back. Not be say our own good though, our own no good, but at least we they learn from one now. We see they learn from ourselves. You understand? Now so life take be. My sister, if you want sleep, since your husband don't carry your baby on social media, and another thing now, you go see say that man where they love you, you don't go carry one small girl outside. You go they look safe. Many of on where on a husband they live, they go outside. Now the girls who on a better pass, who on a fine pass. Now there you go see a person where they move with your husband. If you go feel fight outside, you go they look yourself for mirror. You fine, but that person, get what he want do with you again, because he don't tire for talking. You understand? Men they be like baby where they pamper for every time they hold them for hand. You understand? So they say na life na garbage in and garbage out. The way you make your bed, now so you go take sleeper. Somebody go take that. Within this idiot today here self they talk. Yes, now another man food is another man poison. Now something where they pain another man. Now you carry on social media. Maybe for you, it don't mean anything for you. Okay? So my sisters, let me show you this thing you will buy. Don't buy, I know they sell any cosmetics, so I won't tell you the kind of product where you go fit they use. If you want sleep, use them. Clean your, cost 3 euro, 5 euro, you go fit buy them. I don't want order for you, call order for you. If you see them, you go fit price them for country where you dey. You go fit use them, they clean for yourself. Me too, I'm Elena. And they follow social media everywhere they go. I still they learn from people who don't big past me. You go see some people, they don't reach 60 years, 70 years. If you see them, they are looking good. You go they look, they say, wait till they happen. Take good care of yourself. You understand? Now and the days back, no be the same thing. And mine where they see now, all of them they color. They get their own for their body. Unless you never call social media, come they shout, hey, everybody get problem where they face for in house. If you no come talk them out. If you no come talk and act now, you no go know. Some women say they don't, they shave their handpit, but their husband, they follow them waka everywhere, do every day. What they say, he love you. If they get waiting be inner pain, the person go, they endure am for mind, you no go like her. But he get who they give her joy. You understand? Shave your handpit, put roll on. You are getting matured. The way you be for 15, not be the way they be for 20. Many things they change for your system. Go to get waiting for your skin, look good. You understand? So this man really cried yesterday, really cried a lot yesterday. Even this morning when they go outside for work, they call me, they talk. I say, don't worry, I no get chance. I say, they talk on her, so my shoe dey my leg, my jacket dey here, see my bag, and they still they ready to come out, go where they go. But I say, man, bring this issue for our ladies. If you know somebody where you know somebody, I beg, help me tell that somebody, say the man where would they marry now, where would they stay with you now, where would they love now, where they love us now, not be the one where would they expect again. You understand? After they don't put you for house finish, nobody they carry a weakness they call social media. But for our back here, what they now all of us know what they face. We not go feel consider for social media like this. Now they cry. If we they cry, our enemy they go they laugh us. You understand? Our enemy they go they laugh us, but everybody they pack. Nobody will call social media with your husband where your husband no good. You want trials. Now we be the women now. Our husband is the best for social media. Our husband said for social media, you know they do anything. Now he be the best man for the whole world. But I think for inside house make it still good like that too. You understand? For inside social media now, every woman husband, like this girl now, where a husband carry this matter on social media, if he won't go talk outside now, if he tell her, say, my sister, your ear they smell, or your handpit they smell, he go tell you, say, leave her like that, my husband like her. But now your husband, now he carry you on social media, come the report for bloggers, so that he go fit, as he they work out for social media, up and down they go. You understand? So that if you no hear her for my mouth, you go fit hear her for another person's mouth. So now so the word they be. Everybody will on social media. If you like, may your husband carry you for head for 5 minutes for social media, carry you conda. My sister, you go get one on I go take say this plate, I don't want her here, keep her here. You go come say no. Una must exchange ways. Because not be one family will come from. Not be the same mama na in bonus. You understand? So please, my sister, I want show you on what you go use. You understand? That thing when they clean your face every time they sweet you. Use and clean back of your ear. Chemical they inside. Oyibo we do and know why they do them. Oyibo we don't do them. They know why they do them. Use and clean back of your ear. When you want to sleep, una go say, if you want buy perfume, buy man perfume. Na be the original perfume. Na lie. Man perfume and woman perfume no be the same. Before they put them say it's meant for man, they know. The people, the scientists, the people where the general, I cannot speak the one where my Facebook will go take off. I beg. You know, so it gets some English where you go speak now. Facebook, you go to hear interrupting. At that time, you don't join China, put Lebanese, everyone, join Nigeria, join them together. You understand? So it gets some kind of things where you go to use for your body. You understand? 3 euro, 2 euro, 5 euro. If you see them for supermarket, you go tell them say, "Damn broom back that shageni," you go pass. But if person sell out for you 80 euro, you go say, "Nah, this one original." Or you both do and they know why they do it. Keep them for you, dear. It's for you to take care of yourself. Find the one where get everything inside. Like the one where they use egg there inside. One water will not say English, no good for my mouth. I don't know what the way I go speak now, but I will go bring a show now. Use and clean back of your ear. As you they wake up in the morning, brush teeth. Use and clean back of your ear. As you want put your, as we don't make up like this now, fine for social media, they talk. Put them back of your ear. As you want relax with the man, put them back of your ear. You understand? That's why I tell on I say, join me for our WhatsApp group. You get some things where I no go the feed they talk here. May hope you know here. Yeah, everybody get your own secret. I go talk am because if I talk and he go come no say now this one where I take the you understand. And me I get how they handle my own home. You get how they handle your own home. We cannot handle our home the same time. But if we come together as women, you understand, we go discuss issue and we go keep on there. There is some things you know go fit call. If you call your husband, go no say na you they call, or anybody go no say na you they call. We go fit talk am inside that place. Everybody go bring his own this thing. How we go take the number is there. Add me, I go join. Even though at 10 we day, we are okay to go. We discuss. You understand how we go take do this kind of thing. Me as my husband they behave, not be so your husband they behave. You understand? Everybody be get your own madness where they worry am for one corner. So my sisters, my brother, my sister, if you come across this video or you dey watch me, your husband don't carry you on social media. Your husband carry you on social media. Your husband dey vex inside house. Your husband dey vex inside heart. He get some kind things where you go they do. You go to say the man love you well because he know they talk. And you the person will be say, even our Lord Jesus Christ in heaven cannot advise you. You understand? So try to, as a woman, learn how to carry yourself up. Change situation. You understand? Sometimes if you buy something new, not they show them. Yeah. If you know when they come, dress, make up, relax yourself, put a new thing for your body. Be changing, guys. Make you know they see only one thing for your body. When your head is due, change another style, do another one. You understand? In 5 of them, you may choose one way in the always they like. You understand? If your husband and person wey know they like makeup, still dress natural. Get how you go see natural person, you go still look good. I know they see anybody comment here or now the thing why they talk on, I know they hear them. I know they see any love and like. I be my leave the matter because I never reach 1 million. I make say una no go understand wetin they talk because he never reach your table. Some men they know they talk. Oh. Some men they know they talk. They go just they look you, they laugh. They are the most dangerous people on this planet earth. What did they do there for their men? Our women, our own, we just they shout, wah, you go finish there. Men, they are very calm people. You know, go here, but until when they go do you, boy, everywhere go scatter. And that time you go defy who go deliver you and who no go deliver you. So your husband now don't carry your matter corner, say back of your ear. If you want to do everywhere they smell, you don't know how you want to do you. Okay, had they been done? I dey my house now they sleep. I don't even know say this kind of problem you get they give another waiting. I don't even take as anything why they always do for normal for myself. Now they give another person headache for a marriage. And you go see say that marriage now many divorcee where would they see for this abroad now I no go agree. I go can't agree. You know the respect. You go can't respect all those kinds of something when no get head where we go just put up. I post one video here. People they carry 500,000 go buy juju tie for their waist. It is said that juju where they tie for their waist, they go leave their bekus make it the order like that. They don't clean themselves well. I don't even know say they get chocolate of love. If you chop the chocolate, the love go from inside your belly manifest to come outside. Even though you no brush your teeth in the morning, you dey online no 500,000 you buy your own. The less na that one you can't they use. But one day that your mouth go smell that man finish, you go smell that woman finish, you go just come out, you go to say, make I just go stay my own. So my sister, if you dey here, they watch me or hear this thing, maybe your husband saying he don't tell you one thing one time. Thank you. Your husband saying don't tell you one thing one time, you just they do but now since that time, you know they agree, they advise you again, you know they talk to you again. Check yourself well. Go down that side, clean and very neat. When you won't go bed, you know the call people don't go see people where they on live video, they go they show sexual things, they teach on I cannot open my body when they teach you anything because why? I'm a married woman. No, the way I go take reason me and the way my family go take reason me, go be like say not don't come up for my bed. They are teaching you the right thing. Many pastors' wife for inside their husband house, they are most prostitutional. I don't know how I want to put them inside their husband house. If they don't wear that their wedding gown for altar, they shout to fire. When they go inside, they keep fire for the more to face their husband. Because pastors too, they go gaga for members. Yes. You know, go come every day, you go tie your ear reach here. You go come look like one juju where they cast out from Igbo land, you go put for Benin land. Or for they cast out for Benin land, go put for Yoruba land. You go come, they look the man. You don't get any choice. For this modern world, why not they use black and white television? Why not they use black and white television for na house? Why you go use 14 inches, you go come get money, you go no say na 24 inches, you go come buy. From 24 inches, you go come buy plasma. Why not they live for mud house? Una come they use now the art film, they show olden days film. Everybody for go village that go they use us. Things they change. Some people go carry gorimapa rub for their body. Not being sort. Yes, now what that man tell me? Say if he talk to the woman go say he no like her, he they sort. And a man will love you, they tell you what he wants. And a man will love you, go tell you say this baggy pants where they wear, I know they like them. We are the one where they like this. Before he tell you, I don't see one woman where we dey together. He say his husband go bring one girl picture for internet. He carry and come my room. He say sister as I say see how my husband say make her the dress. Saying don't tire. Before the man go, they see all those kind of things. come they tell you say they dress like this for me. You know say the man you don't reach out here. Now the kind thing when he like, but you go the form say Jesus Christ won't pass your backyard tomorrow. Come for here. You understand? Look good for your husband. You go see some women, oh God, you go vomit for this abroad where would they? For milk and honey, where we say, even though you go short where, they go, their leg don't tear like this. You don't get a 3 tribal sign. 1, 2, 3. And they waka like that with their husband. They are feel comfortable. Now there you go see say they waka, your husband go there for front. You know, go agree you go there for front. Now for back, you go they tell say, my woman, they come for back. Now him be my woman. They avoid many things because if he tell you say your leg don't break, that day you no go sleep. You go they tinker, you go they cry, you won't kill yourself. But now the real thing where the man tell you. You understand? All these things are nothing. You go buy everything, buy Medicare for this one, rub for your face, just the shine. But inside your skin, you don't know where for today. You don't know where for today. You know they do them for the man. You they do them for yourself. According to how you dress, is according to the kind of person where I try. Many of them they find they look for husband up and down the waka. We wait there inside the husband themselves. I don't know whether they go begin keep on a down. They tell on how they be. Marriage you know easy. I not say everybody no go marry or stay with your husband. Cherry, thank you my darling for coming. You understand? Marriage you know easy. As soon as yours like this, we go call social media. Honey go carry me. He go come put me for chair here. We go come kiss. Hey, this is my husband. Hey, Crown Queen TV talk show. Everybody they shake. Hey. After off camera, keep am. Maybe you go say this purse, this your purse now. Where you keep for this table. Carry and go keep for room. I know like I go tell her say na lie. This purse leave her here. I won't come out. This purse if it cause fight. This purse where they see so if it cause fight. So marriage in a wisdom and a understanding. Okay, my sister, as your husband don't cry, come out now. As your husband don't cry, come out now. They work out for. I don't tell her say the 3 people where me and me make them 4. The 4 bloggers where you don't know they tell again you don't do, she go here. Holy Spirit go minister for her. You understand? Them will be the women that they believe in Holy Ghost. If the Holy Ghost come for your night and I tell you say, clean your ear, wash your bekus, put perfume before you sleep, you go rush quick, go do. You go say thank you God. If you receive revelation I get today, Holy Ghost don't come minister to me. Holy Ghost not the minister all those kind of things for you. Now you go minister for yourself. Now there you go see some women as cold days. So from morning to night, they no go bath for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. They go just they wash inside their private part. You know good. Water day oh. You go they just say you they suffer yourself for nothing sake. Just to give yourself problem. You understand? When no reach you. Make sure now that every day Italy full here. You know the cost. You understand? See I don't know how I want to take see who go screenshot them. It's like water, but you don't get any infection, natural. You see product the Italian. See the back. This thing you don't get what they do for you. That's I won't carry something for the up 94 for grand. If you carry this thing, my cotton bud don't finish, and from outside they come. Every day I go outside, I must forget one thing, come back. If I can't reach house, I go they come they think. If you carry this thing now, put on here. My own I they won't collect something on top 94. The water they come out small. See and here. In the morning before you go brush your teeth, carry that your oracle up, clean back of your ear. If they kill the one where they from under they come, you know go hear the order. You go clean them. You see you go clean them. It's like spirit. When person use spirit, they treat dandruff. You carry on like this, you clean back of your ear. Just form it as a habit every morning. If you pass, you leave them. If you time for cleaning of makeup. You understand? Oh, Johnny, good evening. Is it evening on your side? You are welcome. You see man go there with you, go they smell kapia. You go they smell kake. Some of them they carry borimakwa for body, they sleep. That's why find something where you don't grow, you not be 10, 20, and 10, 15 years. Get this thing, go supermarket. This one, I don't know whether na 5 euro I buy them. You understand? Put them, even though you make up, you no make up, use and clean your face. As I dey here, only I person small wet leaves now rub. I not do anything for my face. I not put pancakes. Now they use they clean my face. See, before here they black, but you don't come off finish because of accident where I get here. Where they from here they suck blood for my head. They come out when I from upstairs for our house. Me and my brother they play. The step no good for our house now. I come all my eye here no use and see for complete 6 months before they treat and so I come they use things with many things before it clean finish. You understand? So buy this thing, go for supermarket to buy them, screenshot them. You can order it online. It's not costly. Buy it, use it to clean back of your ear. You can never hear anything other. Do your head well. If your head don't dirty, use spirit. Open this hair where they fix us, clean out one by one. Take them as a walk, clean them. At least if the man don't on top of you, go feel breathe. Some men self they use microscope. They breathe when they don't talk. This man talk. See tire me. That my husband collect for night. Person some men they get mad. You understand? No, they buy perfume. Say na man perfume. Now in they get all the way. Go to where they say Aqua, Saponi, Tigota. Tell them say you need perfume. We go good for you. Okay, if you no go feel good there, go organic shop. Organic shop, then get perfume where be say, you know, be chemical. All those things. Now my husband teach me. I no. Me, I feel bad finish. Carry my bag, they go where they go. You know, consign me. I no go tell you say are they perfect. If you come back like this now, you go tell me say, honey, you get what you buy for me one day. I go bra. Say you go buy the one where they take bath cat to come for me for Jesus word. They laugh. You see, so teach your wife too, men. Teach your wife. No, you know, because why I not go talk too much for men now? Because this man say if you don't they tell your wife know the year. Your wife go the verse, your wife go the call your family, your wife go the complain. You say your husband don't like him again, your body go the pepper. My sister not be like that. The man love you. The man love you. Because if you don't love you, no go tell you. Man, some men they don't get your time when they tell you how you want take bath, what you want come take beer, this one how you go take do this. You know when a man go tell woman say you don't reach 3 months now or 2 months, change your inner wear. You go buy new one. Come. I know how many inner wears what pack here. Sometimes says I don't tell her not they buy for me again. I beg. Tomorrow you go buy small one. The next day you go buy small one. Pants away full my bag here. I don't pack everything, send them for load where they go. He must buy hands for set. He go carry come. Okay, if you buy all those things you can't give me, I go tell her say, I go come they look at this my husband said he go buy pants. Now wow. I go come they follow the man they fight. Now, what thing I know say they do before, no be now. If my husband go buy me something, I go browse, I check the money. Fight, I must quarrel. So you know they can't they buy me anything again. I can't complain to one of my friends like that. Say it be like say something they worry me for head. Say anything when my husband buy for me. You get one Caribbean skate when my husband buy for me 100 euro. That Caribbean skate now on Sunday now I pack them for. I never wear them for my body before. Every day you say this skate, you never wear them for your body. You be like you know like this guy. Say I like I live. I want to take and do gift for person. Send gift person. I don't like her. You know, consign them anywhere where you enter. See, say, you know, say some these Italian people, you go see their clothes to self, you go tired, you know, go feel wear where you be human being. But they spend money, they buy their things. You know why? Because the chemical where they take, they do their clothes made in Italy. The real Italian people, not be Morocco like us, where them importers come. The real Italian person feel buy one trouser 200 euro. He go wear am for 4 years. If they wear am, they waka, they go where they go with full confidence. You don't get your time. If you see their shoe don't old finish. Even if they give us we wear black, you go put am for that. White don't turn to mere color. But if they tell you how much they buy that shoe, say that shoe don't reach 5 years for their leg. No, because all these things where would they wear? China fee give you 200 euro. Your clothes to go full everywhere. If you carry am wear for body, some people their skin before you go waka reach Jamaica, your body don't dey scratch you. That chemical. Now quality, no be quantity. Now chemical where they make the clothes. Maybe your skin no like you go they scratch all your body. Everywhere go they scratch you. Like say they put fire for your body. So my sisters and brothers, since on her husband, don't carry on a matter, come for social media matter. Make on the neat. They clean back of your ear. They shave your hand pit. They put roll on, fine roll on. You get roll on will be all in one. You know the cost. You put them for your hand pit. At least you get how you and the person feel like that on top of you. You go feel breathe fine, even though not be your husband, the picking where you give birth. Even though the environment, that's where you go. If you born past 4, na come day for 1 row, they know they agree. They go say, "Una go divide the picking." They go carry on because you don't vacuum the picking where you get for house. They no need to stay with their parents. Not be like us for Africa. We feel born 6 children. All of us go gather for one room and we are living fine. No be here. We both not believe on that one. Every children must get their own room, or you get their children room. If na one room, we put the bed separated because they don't like to stay with the mama together for bed. They go put the pikin outside because the other way they come for your house, the pikin a newborn baby. So my sister, please. I don't know if you are watching me or you will watch another person. I pray that you come in contact with those people where your husband don't go report you, the matter go give. Try to clean the back of your ear. Try to shave yourself. Some people, they get natural mouth odor. No be their fault. Buy gloves. Before anything, if you brush your mouth in the morning, chew 1 seed of glove. Now my mom made they write me. Okay. Buy gloves, that small herbs, this thing, chew am for your mouth, carry water, drink, and you no go ever hear odor. So people go tell you say you get body odor, you go dey vex. If person not like you, no go tell you wetin dey worry you, because you yourself, the odor don't impact in you, the odor is in you, the odor don't manufacture in you. You know they hear anything again. You understand? If the waiting that they tell you here, they make sense. If you don't want make I know who you be, just give me some love and like. Because you know, they easy way person go come and dedicate people like this. Many of us will know nothing. Like me and us at the talk now. Many of us, we don't know anything. You understand? A person go still teach you. That's why we they go school. Share this video. Please. That's why we they go school to learn. We are going school to learn because we want to learn new things. If social media, some of them forget fight, forget quarrel, they are really partaking in people's life. At least now you know say if you they get friend, you know how you follow your friend. Like friend of 2021 no go be like friend of 1999. You understand? So levels don't change. You go know how you go package yourself. All those things now they teach. If you reach for fight, they fight. If you reach for sense, go get your sense. Me and they listen too. I get top people where they follow for this social media where we say the one when they talk, the one will go enter my ear. I go still sit down and learn. If they don't they talk, the one will pass bandra, I go just go like that and sleep. Now so it be, not be by force, but we have to learn. Clean this man now carrying wife now, come social media now, come they complain, they cry. The man really cry yesterday. The thing invest me self attire. See piece I want to go buy yesterday. If on a tick side the line. Because of the anger, the way hubby can't take the vest, I not fit eat again. Now, you see hubby own, he cut him because of vest. As the man call us, will no sleep. See him, he not chop his own. Because of the way he take the talk, I not say wahala don't they call. Not say this social media, if he dey with your husband for house, you know they easy like that. See my own, I not even touch her hand. You see, I not even eat because I don't vest and time don't go. You understand? And I don't need to disturb him because if they go work in the morning. You understand? I don't need to disturb him because of saying they go work in the morning. You see? And they come my people, now I show you now something. If you work with Oyibo, you see, so all these things now they tell on us. See what they show you. This one, I never go market one day like this. Go buy body spray. So they put for my body. No. If I they live life, I they happy. Now my husband now he make me they use perfume. I get the one where you go put where una they come out. You go down so you go they arrange me. But if you see me, go feel say I get sense like that. Sometimes men teach your woman. The one where one learn no, because why I know they even they talk, they go where men they be say many times the man say he don't talk to his wife know they hear. You understand? You see you see this body spray. This one never finish. You see this one. This one never finish. You see this one. It remains small inside. You see the one. This one are for night. The right and juicy. If you spread this perfume, it be like you put cherry for your body. It go make it be like collagen. It go make your body day okay. Now for normal skin. If it pass person, it be like a sweet. It just all this sweet where they get nice odor. Now so this perfume day. I hope when I see when I show when you buy and come for me. As I go where they sell perfume, I go check this perfume. And they come back. I don't use that this year, but I know they happy. And they vex. Because me, I like money too much past myself. But since my friend come, they talk to me. I know they even my anything where you buy for me, I go tell her thank you very much. Even though they pay, I say, oh, you don't try. Now so she tell me make her they do them. Excuse me, guys. Hello? Yeah, good morning. You want contribute? Ma put them for speaker. Hello? Okay, no, I never enter class. Okay, Saturday. I never enter. Around 5 we go start. Our professor, which person? Okay, no problem. Okay, na email I go send for you. Na email you go write for them because I don't get their number.
I don't get their number.
Okay, that number where we take register be.
It's the only phone number.
Okay, I go check them. I will get them online.
Okay.
Yeah.
You send that for me. I'm going to go.
Okay, no problem. Saturday.
Make a contact. All right, thank you.
I work.
I will thank God.
Okay,
I
yeah.
don't want to.
He's fine. Don't go.
Okay.
Yeah.
You never come back.
That's why they come out around 4 o'clock. Come back around maybe 4 5. You don't return. You never come. Okay. I am a letter day live video.
All right. Take care. Ciao.
Ciao. Now my classmate for school. So you understand, guys? That is the thing. Go get what you need. Clean your back of your ear. Be neat for yourself. Share this video for your page. Maybe person will come across it. The person may learn. The person may say, oh, maybe the man, he go to look your husband, go say, he go thank me later. Change your pattern of doing things. Just renovate. You know, say household. We go call renovator. Renovate yourself. You understand? So we are going to be talking many things. You understand? We are going to be many men, they pass many things. Forget say men abroad, they know the respect, they know good, they are ingrate, they are this. I follow Oyibo do me this. Our culture is our culture. We cannot run away from our culture. If they like, may they carry Jesus Christ tie on for neck, carry Virgin Maria, join you for back. Your culture is your culture. You can person know they run, they live in Nyash. They say person where you put yam for fire, you go to sleep. Your yam go burn fire, go catch fire now. I don't know how I go take talk for Igbo. I know you understand, my people. So please, my darling sisters, help yourself and help the man where you deal with. I am married, no be for mouth. Immediately you marry 1 month, 3 months, 4 months, for 1 year they go. My sister, matter don't change. No be that one where we say, if you want go see that man, na. You go package yourself. There are 5 minutes everywhere, don't support, but don't go house. No be for marriage. You. That one besides, they wake up in the morning, you and the person, they see eyeball to eyeball. You understand? You and the person, they see one-on-one. Marriage in a school where we say, you know, they graduate them. No only heart of love and understanding, now they take, they follow, then they go. You understand? So if they wait for the man where he black, say now he like, you can't get the black, you no come be as wetin one, you go come still dey find blue, the blue come, you go say this blue self, you match the smell, you go come get yellow, that yellow self, you go say, you know, they fit help me cook, see the other person, your husband dey help and dey cook, you go come get pink, from there you go know you don't stay with 100 men, all men, now one rope tie them. If they not start early, they go start at the ending. You understand? Only way you go put your hand off for a relationship where you go just carry and put for God hand over him to God, leave everything for him. Because man where love you today, where they do everything for you, where they totori you, where they do everything. Maybe when you go start, when you need that make on come relax, they enjoy. Maybe on a children don't grow feeling. At that time you go see one small girl. Now there you go, madness don't start, you go come forgetting children. Now so marriage be. Some go still be faithful to the end. How many then dey? Quanti. How many the men dey? They not many. Now no ship where they carry us again. Now they come they enter. Where do they do now? S women and S men's. You understand? So anywhere where you dey, manage and like that. Pray God go change situation. And if you be man, it always they make woman they cry every time. They give them stress. They carry shoulder up, carry your 24 inches, come down, calm down. We are all one. Everybody come here to come hustle. Everybody come here to come help in family. Everybody come here to come find their daily bread. Everybody come here to come survive. As you the hustle will be the man, and so the woman too the hustle. Not be said because of say she don't marry. You understand? When I want do things, what I want do. So my husband tell me say I go wait, make you first finish what they do. I tell I say no problem. As he come buy that one finish, now he help me. I suffer, they do my things small, they go. That is love. Two of the Bible says if two does not agree, they cannot stay together. They must agree before they will stay together. So please, my people, my lovely people, wetin be our topic today? Our topic today be say, man wey carry him wife come to this platform, come meet me, Crown Queen TV talk show. Tell me say I beg, make we fit air this matter online. Bloggers where they watch me, please, if una they do on a live video, pericare and manicure business, more than still they advise women like this. Maybe the man don't come meet you. I ask him, he not tell me the blogger where he don't go give the matter, but he called me yesterday. Please help me tell them, clean back of your ear. Shave yourself away, even though your husband I don't want person where they waka be neat for your own self first. May God know where they from, they judge you. Not be say person won't go to the enter heavenly gate again. That place go come become desbin. You know go feel breathe. You go they do make I do condemn because I don't know what thing I go do. Any opportunity where it takes see the one way in like outside, they don't disappear. That I will go call social media again, come they settle matter. I beg, we women make we respect ourselves more. At least you still good like that. Okay, if you want join us for our group, this is the number for WhatsApp. There they talk, they talk many things. Since as they talk, they shift my mouth, they go one corner. I get why. Not be everything I go come they talk here, but there we go fit air our talk our matter. You understand? Or I still get a Facebook page group for people who are just be my friend. You understand? Where would they there they talk as they be. Many things go they bother me. I feel tell you say this person see how they do. You go say now wow we go come do how we go take arrange our home. Because many people don't scatter people marriage for the same social media where would they so. You go tell them say your husband do you this way. They go tell you he never run. Now that kind of man where you dey with. If they off camera, they fight with their own. Now you they go come take do topic. My sister beg, shave your armpit, clean your back of your ear, buy a very nice sexy perfume put. Even though the man or banje they worry him for head, when he put the body spray like that in the night, Holy Spirit with a good order, with a good memory, go they enter, you go they perceive better order. You understand? So no let men come they feel say we know they hear something. As I did. As I advise on her too, so now so I still take the advice myself. You understand? Because that one where that man can't talk now, and since that time I still come. You understand? They say who no go no sin. You understand? This one now who they call? They call a Nigerian call. I know the person. You understand? So please make ona try to be neat for herself. As this man now carrying wife now come social media now come disgwagwaram because me I be social media. and I no go call the voice message dey my phone wey he first send for me. I no go play. Maybe if I play, my wife go know say na im husband carry am come here, which I cannot be that stupid to talk am. You understand? So he say I beg make we help am. Say the thing dey worry am. Wetin be the problem wey dey worry am? Say if he wan do verbal im wife wan do ear like this, here dey e be like he get, if he go poo finish, he go carry am rub for back of him ear. Say the thing dey disturb am, and if he tell him wife he dey vex. You understand? The thing him wife no dey like her, he dey vex am. My sister, please, even this prayer wey we dey put for hair sef, you get the ones where they get natural odor wey good to buy am. Forget about African shop, buy 2 euro take 1 free. Buy better thing use for yourself. Okay, no be if you see your fellow woman dey waka for road, you go dey turn like this, they look am like mumu. If 2 euro go make you package yourself, 1 euro go make you package yourself. You understand? Time don pass when we dey me anything wey I dey do now. That's why I know I don't want to talk too much here. If I know when hobby go they come back, at least I go arrange myself well. You understand? But if you no still there, I go do my normal thing. Please, my fellow women, please, men, make una dey trollate us like that. You know, as una say our character no good, so make una dey trollate us like that. Please, no dey carry your wife again, my brother. No dey carry your wife again. They waka, they go social media. You get people where your wife better pass. You understand? Pay 15 euro, pay 20 euro, go to Italian shop or anywhere, or you order the thing where they take wash leg. If you be woman, put your leg for the water. You understand? Put many things. One day I go see come teach on about that one, because now I no get time. Very soon I go soon come out. You understand? So wash your leg. That your leg where it break like a 3 days Adventist church. Wash am well. Clean am. When you wear palm slippers for this summer, you go dey look good. When shoes wound me for leg, I no get that cream again. Where I been there with before, where I dey there with the sisters, them every Saturday get people where they come, they clean their leg. Now I don't live with Oyibo where I don't see how they live their life. Now sisters get women where they come treat only their leg. Now I can't show the sister say I don't wound. They say make I put rub, gum plaster, put this. He say no. Say you get woman where they can't treat their leg. Now it's okay. On Saturdays, now the woman they can't treat their leg. As the woman come, now they carry my leg. That day they laugh like person where they romance. Now they carry my leg, put inside water. The woman come pour one chemical. He put my leg inside water. They say I go there for 5 minutes. I put my leg there. After my leg does soak finish, she can't use something scrub on top under my leg, scrub and finish. But only one wound I get for the big hair. Now you can't clean and finish. You get one cream when you give me that cream. You don't use a tube. You don't use and reach half. Now you carry and give me, saying give me, make I take the rub for my leg. My sisters and my brother, I no rub that cream complete 1 week. That leg go. If you see my leg, it be like baby leg. I no get that cream now for sure now. You see, so every part of your body get your own treatment. When you wake up in the morning, before you go to do everything when they do, not be by makeup. Sometimes if you too put pancakes for your face, you go come look like one kind grand old mama where they package itself like that. You know they too good like that. That's why every product what they use, I like Kiko. All their things they mean natural and very simple. Both their eyes pencil, both their eyeliner, anything, both their lipstick, both their wet lips. Now Kiko product that they use, but they get product way past Kiko. But now this thing what I use will be say I like and it keep me the way I am. If you wake up in the morning, carry this water, this thing, go buy them, clean back of your ear, clean everything where they do for your body. Before you go, they try to make anything for house, they clean house or they do anything. Go and buy this. This is 3.50 euro. It's black. It's there for everywhere. Now just cream to wash face. You know the foam is black. You go just put that all for your face. When you na Kiko products, you see now black like this they be. Just use them, rub all your face. When you rub all your face finish, scrub them all your face. After you don't use this one, clean your face finish. Me, I know they put filter for this thing. If I like, I do. If I like, I leave. My face is okay. Because I know, and they use natural treatment. They do. This one now 3.50 €. You know they call Kiko shop. Tell them what you want. Collect them. You see them. Now face wash. If you don't use this one finish, do one finish, then you go use this black one, rub all your face. No be that one where you go dey pee, your skin go come on. No, this one a natural one. As you rub am, this morning at the rush, I for still do this video show now. Put out all your face, pack your head. They do everything when you want to do for work. Take your for house, take your collation, do what you want to do. At the end of the time when you want bath, still go wash and out. If you still wash and out, still apply this one. If you apply only this one, go where you just use and clean your face, go where they go. Every time no be pancakes. You understand? For we know to sabi do. This one, if I don't, say as I draw my hairpress, one go Jamaica, one go Sokoto, I'm okay with it like that. I go my way. You understand? So, my people, this we are going to end this video. Tell somebody who go tell somebody. Please try to ask your husband question. If you see and they do some kind things where they like, try to ask them, honey, what is the problem? This is that. And when he tell you, say, this is what I don't like, please stop it, my people. Okay? Stop it, my people. So continue, whether you put blue head or you put pink head or you put purple head, is not my problem. Okay? Now person like on where would they advise, and a person like on where we go still talk to, where una need to get on a sense for on a head, one no get sense. That's why some men they live on and they run, they come up because of say una no dey agree, una feel say una be king come, or una da arrive past the man, una no go call respect the man wey keep on for house, una go dey form king come. You understand? Okay, my people, so that is all for today. You understand? Whether you put blue head, you put pink head, you put yellow head, you put brown head, people wey wan learn don't still learn. Now your follow, now follow now na husband they carry on and they work out for one platform, they tell on a make on a they bath, make on a they neat. But inside house, you go tell say the man love you well. The man like you. The man, if no be you no go sleep. If they sleep well, you get another thing for your heart. If they use chisel, open this our heart, many things will come outside inside this heart. You understand? So make on the need for yourself, okay? Make on as on they walk out from one place to another, they put red head, they go. Make on still they put blue head for a private part and everywhere for a body go better for na. You okay? Now man, either na your boyfriend or your husband na him carry you call social media, come this gbagba, you say your armpit they smell, your teeth they smell, and you are a woman for that matter, you cannot even take care of yourself. So it's a very shameful thing to you. Okay? And when the men still tell on us say make una do like this, una go follow the men them they fight. Man go tell you say see what he like, he go they follow and they argue, they fight, he go they hate her because he love you, because you be your wife, because you be in girlfriend. That's why they tell you. Another man no fit come see me outside because they tell me how I want to live my life, because no be me and you they like that for bed. No, only one husband I get. You understand? Only one husband I get. Now if he tell me say now like this, now like that, we go again. Me if I know say yes, this one good, I will do am. So many women they pass through a lot, and many men too they pass through a lot. If you can't see say people where they suffer well self na men. But if one can't do favor our fellow women, we go say na women they suffer us, they do us like that. No, life na garbage in and garbage out. Wait till you show your husband, now he go give you in return. You know, so as they use respect is so about the more I give them. You understand? More I give them. Me, I've learned. If I never learn, I no go come they talk to her. I don't learn well, and I'm still learning. Before, if my husband talk one said me, I go talk 15 because me I want the switch for my mouth. Think go they look me, they laugh. But now I know they do all those things because you know why? I get people wasting they advise me as on. Sometimes you go they tell me say you don't keep quiet, you know go talk. This time I know they understand you again. You go they find make at the time. I know they mind. If I say the talk, they stop my spirit, I'll go find one music, put earpiece, I go begin they watch film, they laugh like say now that's it. They make me they laugh. I put them in practice for a month or 2 months and I learn it. And it's working for me. You understand? So not be everything good. As we they carry our baby, they work out, they do like this, they do like that. Now so they be okay, man, where they cook for, only you go feed keep them, only you go feed kill, and only you go. What is that you cannot handle about him? So now wisdom where we take all of them are the same. Even the papa will born you go don't hear kaku. Maybe they no go do for your face, they go feed do for your back. Now so relationship will be. You understand? So nobody go come out for social media and tell you, I can't tell you, say, my marriage is the 100%, I won't come do show. Make people say, hey, this couple, God, I beg, give me husband like a Crown Queen TV husband. The man is a very nice man. My dear, e get wetin e still dey do wey dey vex me o. Make I first tell una now. That one, devil and God must put that one. Two of una no go fit, they agree like that. So go find your own paracetamol, buy, begin to cure your own headache, so that you go feel happy in time to nurse am. Okay, one no go tell you say stay with na man wey be say he take cheating, so agbada, or in dey follow, because if you go get HIV, can't give you for house. I no like that kind of man. Okay, so any other thing you can still handle am for yourself. Okay, my people, thank you for watching me, and thank you also for being here with me. On I know our topic today, our topic is a man who bring his wife here because of dirtiness. Okay, because of ear clean. They say if you want kiss his wife, hear the smell, you know, they feel the rapport with the woman, say everywhere they smell. If you tell the woman to shave, it's a problem. So that is the topic today. Please try to watch this video to the end and put your comment below. You understand? Comment no the key person. Even though you don't know how to write, give me some love and like or join. You understand? If you cannot write, you can make voice message and send me on my WhatsApp on what you feel about this issue. Okay, I'm not going to disclose you like that man. I impeach everything, even the woman there. I not be that kind of person. I will come, they bring you for social media. They see this woman, your husband say they dating. Am I the neatest person? I'm not the neatest person, but I came to this platform today to let my fellow women know they get some things where would they do where our husband them they know they like her. You understand? Please grow this page for me. Okay, I know say if I start fighting now, we go get on, we go reach where they go, but I no go do am. If it take me 5 years to go reach where they go with peaceful mind, without fighting with anybody, without no quarrel, I go like am. Okay, the one I first do before with anger, I don't delete am, and hobby no like am. So that is it, and that will be the end. Okay, so please guys, always like my page, follow me, and share my videos. Okay, God will bless you. Sometimes I used to cook, sometimes I used to dance, sometimes I used to talk funny things. Sometimes I'm not normal. Just manage me like one of your sister like that, because all of us cannot, everything cannot be completed in us. Okay, as I'm talking this one to, maybe if you share them for your page, somebody may watch it and see, I'm passing through this kind of a thing. You understand? They will still learn from it. Every day now they learn. Nobody is above learning. Okay, even the oldest people, they still they learn. You understand? If you give them phone of these days now, they cannot operate it until when they teach them. So now, so it take be, my people. I love everybody. I want to now ready to go where I'm going, and I need, you don't call me this morning, go to social place, do this one for me after you close from work, photocopy this, please. I say, okay, thank you. He say, have you eaten that pizza? I say, no. He say, why? Try to eat the pizza. And so he tell me, at last, okay, honey, I go eat her, no problem. So I want to eat the pizza and still keep the remaining one I go cook, so that if he come back, he go still happy, say, I still don't eat her and no verse, because he can't the verse for night. You know, say this social media matter where they talk, mostly if he there with a man for heart, sometimes you know they easy. Sometimes I get waiting and one can talk, and no go feed the talk, and because of say he need my attention, he need to stay close to me. That's why anytime now I see little opportunity where I know say he no day, or he go fit give me time. Like yesterday when I want to do video for pizza, he no agree. He say no. I beg you, let them call us more carry our business. I say no, I want to do video. Okay, order for your organic cream. See my hand, I know the bleach. You see, I'm not be fit, I not be anything. And so my natural cream, skin is, I know the bleach anything. Contact me for your original organic. So if I dey talk this organic soap, and I go think say she dey form, she won't go be join cream people. No be like that. This one are real. Okay, I dey use them. Not be every time I dey use oyibo chemical soap dey bath. Sometimes I dey use our own native soap to dey bath. I get them here all the way from Ghana. Okay, they carry and go from I still they sell for Nigeria. If you see the number put there, you go see for Nigeria, and you go see for here. In case if you're in Nigeria, if you're still in Ghana, you can contact me. I will sell the cream for you. I know the show person waiting. I know they use. See where I put my own here. See my own. Not before bleaching. You see my own organic cream. This one only soap, the soap alone is perfect. You go see how before 1 week, see where I put her for this butter sometimes. They put her for bathroom. If I use sponge, I collect them. I first take scrub my body, scrub everywhere. I go come bath. If I bath finish, I will come use my normal soap bath. So order for it. You understand? You go make your skin look. I know they sell bleaching cream. If you want bleach, no be for here. That one no be for bleaching cream. Show me your picture, the color you are. I will give you whatever you need. You understand? If you are fair like me, you see me. If you see me 100 years time, this color no dey change. Na so I be. If na the bleach, una go see am for here. If the cream, the soap, the bleach. If you want am for only the soap, you let me know. But if you want am for kit, you let me know. Na 5 kits where they take the come. You go let me know. I go bring am for you. Okay. So that is the thing. And if you need anything from me or you want to discuss anything with me, contact me with this number on WhatsApp. Write me message. Okay, I will join you for the group. Then we can talk one-on-one. Advertise your business here. Don't look say this my platform never grow. The young shall grow. And I still get another place where they do my particular thing. Where be say I know the carry and they come for this page. Where be say nobody, only people wey know me privately know. And I still get people where I go fit carry your matter, go give, where be say they don't hide, where I go still help you promote your business, promote anything you want to do for here, advertise your business here. It may go far. Okay, so and make sure you are well organized. I know they do fake business now because now brother day. I don't want tomorrow person go come there. So this cream matter now my own personal business. Okay, so studied and later I will come tell on how this cream take come about. Una go shout. You know, say many of una they see me, una never know me well, but very small time una go know me. A home does not build in a day. Okay, guys. So love me like your sister take me the way. And my sister, where your husband carry your matter, come meet me. I beg you in the name of the God. Always listen to the sound of your whether he tell you with harshness or he tell you with curse or anything. Use laugh and tell and say you don't hear. Work on it. Put it in practice. Okay. So do what they like. Keep yourself neat. Sometimes if your bra don't reach like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, just try to change it. Okay. Keep that old one fair. Buy new things for yourself. Pants. Change it. You know they cost some 20 euros, some 15 euros. You go see them for if mostly now they are doing sales in Italian shop. Okay, my Ghana number. Don't worry. I will put it. I'll put it here. Okay. So they are doing sales of pants. If you go, those one where those are they take the color on a husband will be catapult to buy them. By the time you go see for social media or you see them for porn sites, you don't they wear them for inside house. You go now you go they ask you say what did they happen. You go tell us nothing they happen. No. Now new revelation 2021 new century. You go use and play, everybody go laugh. Buy the catapult one, I get them. The one will be like Mama Bookie, I get them. The one where they say, I get them. No one no get inside here. I get them many. Both the one where they come and the one where I get them. If you say it don't be marriage, I say make a dress. When I see me how they take sleep, they go say I don't they do a show for social media now. I get many different types of sexy wear for inside this my drawer here where be say I no go fit on the show now because now person property don't pay put. But if now inside this our WhatsApp group now, yes, I feel sure now because I feel sure now for video if you talk with I go see how person they take the sleep. You understand? Dress neat, no be you and man one like that for bed. You go wear gaiters. Wear tight, wear Gucci, wear 5 sauce, wear 2 barrette, wear this. You go they come they do no be like that. Then get clothes for winter. Like I get some fine sleeping gown while they wear. Not be even for you. The way you dress now, the way angels of God they will come meet you. God is a very clean person. He don't like it. You understand? So sometimes you change your inner wears. I get for summer, I get for winter. But the summer on 9 day rugged pass because only me them and has I can do anything I like. Unless the man na devil possess him. We be say if I handle you, no go get sense. You understand? Una no go carry me go via no one go. I be able to leave me alone make caress. You understand? Order for your cream. Look good. Then get the oil. No go like one of our sisters where they say maybe na how do they call? Let me see. Hello, honey. I beg they go, Jerry. I work. Now they live video. When I don't go break. Okay, print everything come. That guy, if na him be the code, that me say I get am here now. They post and they call. I no even know say na him be the code though. I get them many for inside house here now. Well, they bring for me for letterbox. Now for me.
Okay.
Yeah. What of your guy?
Huh?
What of your guy? Okay. Are they live? Okay, take care. Yeah, bon lavoro.
Okay,
Ciao. So now my husband they call. Don't go break. They quick go break today. So you understand, my people, that is it. Okay. Be the highest harlot inside your husband house. They know nothing, they know they keep person for now your property. Grace. See, make I tell on one thing. I know you want talk this matter for here. You know, so now go say this on a crank queen don't spoil well. I spoil well. Get her take the day my day. You understand? That's why I do say I tell on I say we won't do them private. Those people where they go that site, I don't want to talk the site to them. Go they watch what they do for that site. You go give person a goosey, give person a goosey, give person a goosey, give person a goosey, give person a goosey. You go tire, you go see say belly go swell up. Change soup for them. Go learn. You understand? Go there, go the learner. But I'm not go talk and finish. Now the five way turn I go here for my mouth. Bad people. Go there, go learn. Learn and change new style. Today, if you don't top, you don't top. If you go up, you come down. They try to change new things. Because every day where would they learn? They learn new things. Not be say you marry, go come be like status where the mood. They go they find stick where they say they go follow, you go sit down there, go they look like this. Sometimes you do your things. Some people go tell you say, now dear Jesus Christ want from come, you don't spoil. If now you be the last person where go where if they don't enter finish, the gate of heaven don't close. And they never still they still get enemy with the person for mind. They still they plan how they hate each other. They still they plan how they want to keep person. All of us na sinners. Sinner for your husband bed. God know the judge. You do am with your husband. Do am for us. They no go tell on all those one. They will carry Genesis to come. Una go there for Genesis or reach Revelation. I know they capish anything. I know they understand anything. The men go. You know what man, any man where they use phone, you know where they waka they go. You know. Hey. Now this social media now we don't hear tire. So as they ready you, they ready your own. Today you go tell you say tell us no, you get new style where you know now. Make una try this one, whether you go walk. Before you go try that one finish, you must get the one where go enter in brain. You go calm down. No go let am go get am outside. Side chick, you go come give am outside. Now you go come they tell you say today I go close this one or I won't go here. Go. The only thing, God bear me witness for this platform where they talk today. The only thing why I know say I no go fit. My husband no they follow person, they go sit down for his house. No. You no get friend, you no get anybody. Now inside this house where it is stay. Now me be the cheerleader of how I want to do it. He no get time. If no be this social media matter, he no get time safe. Because na me, you understand? So my people, make you learn. Add me on this WhatsApp group. Contact me for your soap. Advertise your business here. So now she saying coming now. I don't dey here. They talk, and I see the things what I go do for them. So I need to go still post them. You understand? But before I go post them, I need to cook. Now that's why I tell you say I get where they go. I need to go for front here, get something, come arrange so that before you go, they come back as me. I don't reach where they go. You understand? I will go back around maybe 1, 2. Now I go back, go do my work, see, come back. Thank you guys for watching me. I love you guys. Okay, please, if you know they follow this page, they follow like, follow, share. Okay, beneath, look nice, wear saucy things. There is time for everything. I love you guys. Those my organic fans, my lovers, those who they comment for my picture. I get something for now. If I know if you give you for Europe, yeah. I go give you for home. Time they come, it remains small. I go do something for now. One I go like. I not say no go too much, but I go select how I go take do am, and I go like am. Uno ga like ya. Uno ga like ya. I get something where they carry they come. If you come, all of now everybody go send me an address. I go post them. Come share, give on now. Okay, more still they enjoy small. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. I'm going. See you some other time. I have class today by 5 o'clock. When I go see when my colleague call me, my schoolmates call me for school. So they give me assignments to read, all those things. I need to go where they go, come back by 3, come enter again around that kind 5 o'clock. Abroad, we know the rest. But if we tell them for home, they know they agree. We know the rest here and everyday trouble. So this particular thing that I have here, I go to talk out for the group. Wanna help me, they thank God. God don't do something where be say no man can do for you. This thing I be want talk about in here, but I no go talk up. I go talk up inside this our page, inside this our WhatsApp group, to help our fellow women. This thing where you see, so it really helped me a lot. You get what God do for me where be say money cannot buy, and I they happy every day, every time, every minute, every time. If we get eye, you go see. Hey, bye bye, yo. Aprokolo go kill us for this abroad. Ciao.